they asked me to test the mic, but I didn't want to. Ready? Okay, welcome to the first ever Megabyte review. So, short story, Megabyte was not meant to be a web development company, it was meant to be a tech review company. We're going to be reviewing tech today. I bought myself the new MacBook Pro 16-inch M1 Pro, and I'm going to be unboxing it and letting you guys know how it is. So yeah, let's get into it. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this to the side. Let's see what we have here. This here is the braided MagSafe cable over here. New power adapter, I'm assuming 120 watts or something like that. Okay, just the normal stuff. Ooh, black Apple stickers. That's when you know it's the Pro. And here is the MacBook. And over here you can see we have all of our new ports. So there's the MagSafe, 2 USB-Cs, an aux port. Over here we have an HDMI, another USB-C, an SD card reader. All of these USB-Cs should be Thunderbolt 4, if I'm not mistaken. Oh. So over here, this is my previous 15-inch 2017 MacBook Pro. Over here, here's the new one. You can see similar in size. I'll pop them on top of each other. Sort of similar in size, slightly bigger. What I like about it is the smoothed off edges compared to the harder edges on here. Obviously the ports are great. And over here, oh, just look at that again. Okay, so on my left, your right, we have the new 16-inch. On my right, your left, we have the older 2017 MacBook Pro 15-inch. As you saw, the size similar. This one here has an i7. This one here has the new M1 Pro. Obviously, very big difference in terms of that. In terms of the way they look, where they feel, I mean, the new one just feels better in every single way compared to this older one. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get into the setup. I'm going to try and carry over all of my files from this old one to the new one using the migration assistant. Yeah, let's get into it. So this is the new cable. I love this braided. I mean, looks like it can last for a long time.
That's what she said.
This new MacBook also comes with the MagSafe, but it can charge with USB-C. So if you're on the go and you only use one cable, that works great. Now, what I've noticed on this new one, firstly, the bezels are so much thinner compared to this one. The screen, this 120 Hertz is stunning. If you have a look at the new keyboard as well, this keyboard is just amazing. I mean, okay, firstly we have the black, but the travel compared to this, I mean, if you go like this one doesn't even go in. Whereas this, you can actually see it's moving down. This one here is not even moving. In terms of trackpads, pretty much the same. I mean, no one can beat Apple with their trackpads. However, this one doesn't have the touch bar that this one has. Now, in terms of the touch bar, I know it's quite controversial. Most people actually say it's worse. For me personally, in my usage, I actually like it. I don't use many of these function keys. So I like what the touch bar does. I like that it's dynamic, it moves from app to app. This one feels a little bit like we're going back. I mean, in terms of ports, we are going back, which is great. In terms of height, I mean, slightly higher, slightly thicker. I don't mind it. This one is already quite chunky. I don't mind it, but I don't not mind it. It's quite big.
That's what she said.
Touch ID over here, they could have done Face ID. There's more than enough space over there for Face ID. Overall, I think it is a big improvement. I know the speakers in here are much better, and also the mics. Apparently this has some studio quality mics in here. Okay, so the migration is complete now. This might or might not have taken about 5 hours. We're not going to say anything about that. So now we are basically done with this here. It's now all transferred over to here. Okay, so we are in over here to the new MacBook. As you can see, I mean, this here, this border is so thin. This I'm gonna have to get used to. I mean, the whole, you know, mouse goes under that notch. I mean, I don't know why that extra space is there, but we're not gonna complain too much about that. What I'm gonna do quickly, just to show you the speed of this chip, I'm gonna open up a whole lot of apps at once, and I'm gonna see the speeds. Okay, just like this. Okay. Whoa, whoa. Okay, that was ridiculously quick.
That's what she said.
I don't know if you saw how quick that was. Insane. Absolutely insane. I'm gonna have to sign into all my stuff again, but I mean, over here we can just test out the camera as well. There's Evie over there. We're having our shoot here. Yeah, so I mean the camera as well. I'm sure center stage will only work once you're in FaceTime itself. Okay, so from what I've checked, there is still quite a lot to set up in terms of passwords, getting my iCloud synced and stuff like that. Linked it up with the iPad, with the phone, the watch, everything, just getting it all linked together. What I'm going to do is I'm going to end this video here, and I'm going to do a 1 month update. Okay, so while I'm editing this video, I realized that this content is probably about 9 months old, and the M2 Pro Macbook Pro is already out. But I'm gonna post this video anyways, and I'm gonna tell you guys a little bit about my experience with it. So I've been using it over here with my desk setup. I'll do another video for that, for the past about 9 months. And can I just tell you guys, I am absolutely blown away with this machine. Fans haven't switched on once. I use this thing as like my daily driver. It's been absolutely incredible. I have it hooked up to my setup, so it's connected to a MagSafe, connected to my monitor over here, another monitor over there, my Keychron, and it has not slowed down once, and just a 10 out of 10 experience. I don't know why you'd ever need more power than this. I do coding on here, Illustrator, Photoshop. I don't know why you'd need more, but yeah, enjoy the rest of the video. But from what I've seen, this thing is insanely powerful, and it has all the ports. It looks stunning. It's performing well. Has the 120 Hz display. I mean, this display is gorgeous. And the M1 Pro, it's something else, guys. Something else. I can't imagine what's in the M1 Max and the M1 Ultra, but from what I'm seeing here, there's a lot of potential. And yeah, excited to use it. I'll see you guys in 1 month. Until then, I will have another video coming up for a monitor which I'll be getting, as well as a new keyboard which I'll be getting. Or for my setup, maybe we'll do a setup video as well. Until then, take care, all the best, I'm out.